Greg Pignataro, Quality Control Manager at COMANCO. So everything we do is federally governed, for the EPA. So we have to make sure that we are doing all the redundancies for our equipment, making sure they're working properly, the installation process itself, and then being able to document that and submit that for our customers to be able to operate their facility. So the trial welds in the beginning, so basically what you do is you run a couple practice runs. So you take two pieces of a liner, whether talking fusion, you run it about 6 feet, then you test those peel and shear values for that weld, making sure that those two panels line up together. And then in the field, once they're installed, there's another test called air testing, making sure that the actual seam itself, when the machine is ran, there's an air channel that is developed, and we apply air in the air channel and make sure that it sustains its pressure for 5 minutes, and then patch those holes that we made, and then test those patches that we made in the liner by vacuum test. And then after the fact, we do another test called destructive sample testing, and the destructs are then sent off to a third-party lab. And when those results come back, we document everything, and that seam for that day was per project specifications.